Welcome to this presentation of the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund. Imagine a world where news took months to travel, where letters were carried by horseback and messages were printed on steam-powered presses. Now, in just over a century, we live in a time where communication happens in mere seconds, with smartphones connecting us instantly across the globe. Picture a time when storing data required massive tubes and vast amounts of space. Fast forward to today, where libraries of information fit seamlessly in the invisible expanse of cloud storage, accessible anytime and from anywhere in the world. Imagine the delicate notes of a music box, painstakingly crafted to play a simple tune. Now, think about how far we've come to a world where millions of songs are available at our fingertips, streaming instantly from the digital cloud. While innovation has been happening for over centuries, the pace of innovation is accelerating rapidly. As you can see in this chart, in the early 2000s, the median age of companies in the S&P Top 10 was 85 years. By 2018, this had dropped to 33 years and is projected to shrink to just 12 years by 2027. This rapid speed of innovation is disrupting traditional business models, making innovate or perish the new watchword. Innovation is a key disruptor across sectors. In the automobile industry, for example, we see electric vehicles, self-driving cars, and hybrid vehicles transforming the landscape. In media and entertainment, OTT platforms, digital content, and music streaming are redefining how we consume media. The consumption sector is being revolutionized by quick commerce, augmented reality, and omni-channel integration. These innovations are not just changing industries, they are reshaping our everyday experiences. We believe India is on the brink of a major innovation cycle and is poised for unprecedented growth and advancements. Favorable tailwinds such as a booming startup ecosystem, an inherent talent pool, supportive government initiatives, a growing consumer market, strong digital infrastructure, and a robust funding ecosystem are expected to promote innovation across sectors. Let's look at these factors in detail. India boasts the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, with 115 startups in the Unicorn Club, a number expected to double by 2030. This growth will be driven by e-commerce and fintech sectors. This growing ecosystem shows India's huge potential in setting the stage for remarkable innovation and economic growth. India is a major player in global STEM talent, producing 2.5 million STEM graduates each year, one of the largest sources worldwide. India and China, with their large tech talent pools, have the lowest demand-supply gaps, thanks to strong upskilling initiatives and proactive government support. India, with its rapidly growing smartphone penetration, rising internet users and availability of low cost of data, has a strong digital ecosystem in place to support and propel innovation. India has a large and growing consumer market, with more than 1.4 billion people. As the country continues to develop and the middle class grows, the consumer market will only continue to expand. Government initiatives like Startup India, the Atal Innovation Mission, and India Stack are significantly boosting the Indian startup ecosystem and innovation landscape. Additionally, the government's Production-Linked Incentive or PLI scheme is providing substantial support across various existing and emerging sectors. India today has a strong funding ecosystem. Indian startups have raised approximately $148 billion in funding up to Q1 2024, positioning them well for potential public listings. Today, numerous factors favor startups seeking to go public, including a favorable market environment and increased investor interest. Let us now see some of the themes and sectors which have adopted to innovation to create cutting-edge customer experiences and have potential to grow further. On the back of rising population, changing lifestyle, growing digital economy, online retail market in India has grown over the years and is expected to see significant growth and become the third largest online retail market by CY 2030. On the back of rising internet penetration, the AdTech market in India is expected to grow at a CAGR of 25.7% from 2024 to 2030 as against 22.4% CAGR growth expected in global AdTech market, highlighting the significant potential. Spending on public cloud services is expected to double by 2027, driven by increased adoption of generative AI and application modernization. We believe SaaS product companies and cloud infrastructure providers can benefit from this growth. India's EV market is expected to grow at an impressive CAGR of 49% from 2022 to 2030, helping the country march towards achieving its target of 30% EV market share by 2030. India is set to have the third largest fintech ecosystem globally. Some of the key segments in fintech that we believe can benefit from India's growing fintech ecosystem are digital lending, insurtech and wealth tech. If we look at clean energy, India has the potential to be one of the lowest cost hydrogen producers globally. In addition, availability of hydropower, competitive pricing along with a developed national grid are some favorable factors for growth and adoption of green energy in India. Having explored the evolving innovation landscape in India, let us introduce you to the SBI Innovative Opportunities Fund, an open-ended equity scheme following the innovation theme. The fund aims to invest in businesses that drive innovation in their products, services, processes or are the adapters of the changing trends. We will invest in companies that are expected to benefit from the adoption of innovative strategies and theme and go on to create value. Keeping this framework in mind can help us identify the most impactful and forward-thinking companies in the market. To identify innovative companies, we focus on old and new companies which are either adapting to existing technology, creating new innovations or significantly investing in R&D to achieve cost reduction, improve efficiency and develop a competitive edge. In terms of portfolio construction, the fund will invest minimum 80% of its net assets investing into companies falling into innovation theme buckets and up to 35% of net assets can be invested in global stocks aligned with the underlying theme. The fund will be true to its label of being diversified across sectors and market caps. This fund presents a suitable investment opportunity for those investors who believe that the innovation theme is the key to progress. This fund can help investors achieve diversification in their portfolio and give them the potential of long-term wealth creation. Here are some of the fund facts. To conclude, we believe innovation theme to be a structural long-term growth story with significant wealth creation opportunity for investors. So, get ready to meet the innovators who will power the next gen India. Please contact your distributor or advisor or visit www.sbimf.com to invest in this fund. Thank you for listening. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.